Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Sign into an administrator account because updates often require elevated rights. Once signed in, make sure the laptop is plugged into power and on a stable network so downloads won't fail. Now open Start, choose Settings, and go to Update and Security. This is where Windows centralizes update controls. You're doing this now to fetch the latest patch manifests and driver packages. Make sure to avoid metered networks so large files won't be blocked. Click Check for updates to trigger a scan. Windows contacts Microsoft to compare installed builds versus available releases. Once it lists updates, click Download. Optional updates like drivers appear separately, and you can choose them if needed. If large feature updates are queued, schedule them for off hours. Use restart options to set a time. While downloading, monitor progress and make sure background apps are closed to reduce conflicts. This reduces restart failures and speeds installation. After downloads finish, click Install and allow the system to apply changes. Some updates require multiple reboots. Once Windows restarts, you should verify success by opening Update History. Look for completed statuses and recent build numbers. Make sure your key apps and drivers are functioning. If something breaks, reboot again and check Device Manager. If installation errors occur, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, clear Windows Update cache, or boot into safe mode to uninstall problematic drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.